Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, NexTutorial. And in today's video, I'm going to be walking you through step by step on how to factory reset your Motorola G fast. This particular device is with Boost Mobile. And this tutorial should work with any similar devices from any other service providers. Follow the steps, you won't have any issues. What you need to do to perform the reset, you would need the power key and the volume down key. What you want to do, you want to press these two buttons at the same time. Press and keep holding until the device powers on. You will get to this menu. You want to navigate using the volume down key to get to recovery mode. Then you want to press the power key to confirm. The device will restart. Then it will take you to a no command screen. I will show you what to do once you get to that screen. Here, what you want to do, you want to press the power button, hold, then press that volume up key. You will get to this menu. You want to navigate using the volume down to wipe data factory reset, then press the power key. Scroll down to the second option, then press the power key again. By choosing this option, you're formatting everything and deleting everything off the device. Once you complete that step, then you can go ahead and restart your device. This is it guys, this concludes our tutorial for today. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.